I usually feed these to these munchkins, and they're all hungry right now, so I'll show you guys real fast how this one, Monkey, is like such a glutton. But you guys will see, watch. Okay, watch. It's so funny. Oh, here she comes. Yeah, I'm just taking a video. Look at her. Look how much she shoved in her mouth. She'll start like using her hands. It's so cute, but it's funny. Panda, monkey, Sindel, Topi. Oh, she's not doing it for some reason. It's probably because there's a lot there. Oh, here they go. Now they're gonna start eating fast. Be careful. They eat so fast. That was a big handful and it was almost gone already. Move your tail. Oh god. What's up? I wanted to show you guys this. You guys have these. They're pretty much everywhere, but not many people reads the label. It says refrigerate, shake. Oh, it's not focusing. When you shake it, if you can kind of see, it's like really like, I don't know, it's more of a thick consistency, like an actual mocha. One sec. What's up? Man, sick of dropping this bone. Fuck. Someone's book bag. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. What is that? Mama had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 babies, and their heads popped right off. Besides that one. Up and work, guys.
What are you at? Hello.
ABCs.
A B C D E F G.
Hold on.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S.
Oh shit. I'm almost wiping out here. That's don't mind Sarah in the background. This here is Bunny. I'm gonna show you guys. She's a little back and forth. She's kind of hard to get a good shot of, but she's a little cutie. Oh, she's over here still. She's in my hood now. She's hi, baby. She likes sliding. Watch. Woo! She's so fearless. Say hi, Todd.
What's up?
Say hi, everyone. Just showing everybody the
Secrets.
monkey.
Monkey.
Or bunny, sorry.
Bunny.
Yeah. Oh, a little clean. So this is like the crib. It's like the studio area. Slash like streaming. Here's my beautiful girlfriend again. She's streaming. Got all kinds of cool stuff laying around.
Woman's on bump. Is it over? Oh, I can breathe. Holy shit. Calm your titties. I said I wanted to cry because the map sucks, but thank you very, very, very much for the for the 10 subs. You need to chill. You need some milk. You need some milk. Okay, go drink some milk. Thank you so much. Chen FPS, Decent Dark Angel, Nearbeat, Kitty 20, Packins, Lukey.
Yeah, I can get pretty
SVD,
crazy in their stream, so.
Original Wonder Woman.
Yeah.
And CVD Man. Welcome to the panel.
This is.
News on crack needs to calm down. Thank you so much for giving those subs. I
We
appreciate
got
it.
it.
Thank you for supporting my community and me. I mean, my
Oh,
stream and me. Oh my god, I'm giving all the
here's
subs to
the
the community.
hammock.
Thank you so much.
The
Please calm
hammock
down.
for
I don't want to cry again right now.
all our beanie baby
This man
toys.
is hating me. You don't have to.
Check
You
this
don't
out.
have to break me more.
It's the
God,
it's the
I don't want to
smallest
cry right now.
Hot Wheels
I'm gonna smile so I don't cry.
World's smallest Hot Wheels.
I'm just drink milk. Yeah, he needs some milk.
It's a little baby dinky. Oh,
He
you
needs
can
some
barely
milk.
see it.
He's
This
just
is
been fucking going crazy today. Like, he better not wake up tomorrow morning and be like, oh, what did I do? I can't get pizza now today. I'll
that's
be
my
like, shit.
PC. It's not very like I don't have any lights and
can't order
anything
myself a
onto it
pizza
right yet.
now.
I still need like an adapter.
I once
I have actually. I'll show you
once
guys.
had somebody one of my oldest mods.
These fans.
They donated like over $500 one time or something like that, and they donated like other stuff, and I didn't ask for it, but this was when I was like starting
That's
out
her
like years
beaster.
ago, like 2016. And anyways, like I asked if they wanted me to refund it. They said
Yeah.
no. So I'm like, okay, but I was
Mine
like, I don't care, I don't
have
like,
set
I
up
would rather
too
you have the
with
money.
like
And then they
colors
requested
and
for a
stuff,
refund
but
and fucked me over, and I was like, oh, negative almost I think $200 in my PayPal.
oh no.
I would not
There you
be able to
go.
do
I
that,
like
to
that
somebody, but I mean,
But yeah,
I
so
was gonna say they
I have the same
what the
fans,
fuck?
but I
But
need
they're still my
the
mom, like,
adapter
basically, like, the whole thing got
to
figured out.
run
Yeah, blah, blah, blah. I just, like, that just hit
my
me, and I told her,
controller,
"Yeah, sorry that,
which
I was
is
like,
back
like,
here,
can I refund? You're like, no, keep it. And then I'm like,
and I don't have a 3-pin ARGB connector.
and then, like I said,
But
they got it back anyways because
this
they
is
requested for it. So I was like, I would have
my
refunded
old
it. Like,
motherboard.
when people do that shit, I'm like, can I refund? Like 2 days ago, I think my friend, yesterday, the day
You
before.
guys can notice.
Maybe yesterday. My friend donated money to me, and I asked him to refund it. He said no, and we're gonna play games with me. So.
But oh yeah, I gotta show you guys this. My girlfriend bought me it, and it's fucking nice. I like it a lot. Watch. Check that fucking shit out, man. Nuka-Cola Quantum. For all your Fallout fans, you take this off. This is Nuka-Cola Quantum, and then you puts it in this thing and it lights it up even more. It's pretty bright when the light's off. Yeah. I like it. I love it. That's the inhale of a burp. Ready? Sounds like Predator. Or how's it going? This is my keyboard, actually, that Sarah gave me, and a wireless mouse that I use for now, for editing and stuff. And this is actually, I got this free with my power supply. But check this shit out.
Not flaws, but things
It's
that
nice.
I
I like this too.
don't do good with, like, changes.
It's kind of like what she's
small
got here,
changes,
but
I, like,
hers
panic
is
about.
bigger.
I'm like, it
Mine's
sucks.
just for a mouse pad, obviously. But yeah, changes true to colors.
God damn it. It was a good try.
I like this
Send
one.
everything.
That one's cool. But yeah, it kind of matches like this year.
Dang! No, I got no chill. I'm gonna bring you over some cookies and milk so you can have that milk.
Yeah. But
You need some milk.
yeah, I got these fans, but I need the 3-pin because I have an old motherboard, like I was saying. I have an older type motherboard, so like it doesn't have ARGB, like the 3-pin that needs to run that controller to run my fans, but I have 3 of them, But yeah, that's for a later date. It's only like 12 or like 13 bucks or something.
I'm doing fucking terrible. Oh,
But
oh, yeah.
once those fans are plugged in, because they're up, I have two up here, one there. That's my pump for my that's my cooler basically. It's radiators. Or the radiator, sorry. And my graphics card actually fried, or my motherboard is too old or something. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. Either way, it still runs enough for editing and all that. Works great.
I don't know, but that's what I meant to say earlier. My ears are crying.
And here's our systems. Nintendo 64, GameCube,
Oh, I forgot. My mom might be bringing me fried
Nintendo
chicken
Wii.
tomorrow. Guys, we're having the community night.
Xbox.
We're having fried chicken.
We have that. It's packed away for regular Nintendo. PlayStation 2.
You play Among Us or anything like that? Damn!
What is up? So, as you guys could see, yesterday was a little bit gloomy and there wasn't really much on the go, but this is still kind of in the same video, obviously. But yeah, it's a fucking beautiful day. Sounds like there's burps in the way. Bumblebee, come back, friend. Why did you fly away? We'll probably see another.
Oh god. I spilled some on the floor. Oh. Oh no.
Got called into work, and your boy's got to run all the time. No, I'm just kidding. I don't have to run, but I'm supposed to work at 6, and it's almost 5:30, so I'm gonna make it for 5:30. Work till 10:30. Get an extra hour. Woo! Cardio, baby. Pooping in my pants. Took my buddy's BMX. Anyways, now that it's nighttime, kind of wanted to show you guys this if I can get this without dying, my phone dying. But this used to be here back in the day. Guy used to be here, pull up. Hey, what's going on, man? I need my ticket. Oh, don't shoot me. Don't fucking shoot. I have my ticket, you know, my friend. And then, yeah, and then this would be the side of the Air Force Base. And then that's the side that everybody lived on. What's going on, guys? Just wanted to show you how my hair came out. Didn't really show like me, you know, because my lady was streaming and stuff, but yeah.
Okay, Karen. I'm not a fucking Karen. I'm the furthest from it. Karen. Okay, bitch. Ass my butt might go by Aries right now. I play some Val right now. Yep. Let's do it. Let's do it. No, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on. Let's do it. Yes. Oh, okay, okay, well, 4 of us got one at least. Okay, let's fucking go. Aries? Aries are good. Oh. Okay, never mind. That was Oni. I fucking got scared. No, I heard footsteps. And, yeah, they're like boobies. That's why they go be weirdos. And they go in that weird little water area. I'm scared. The power of friendship. Wow, you guys figured it out. I can't believe it. You know me like the back of your hand. Stop messing with chemicals then, weirdo. I'm just joking. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm scared. Ah, you motherfucking...
Old vintage Louis V coin purse that her aunt gave her a long time ago.